If you are heading to the Eras Tour in 2024, you are in for a real treat. There's nothing like tens of thousands of Swifties coming together and having the best time. And friendship bracelets. Tips for making your Eras Tour friendship bracelets. Let's go. First, you want to make sure that you have really good, strong, stretchy string. Next, get the letters that are already separated. You do not want to waste time trying to find the letter. Instead of just making one bracelet at a time, set it up so that you're making 3 bracelets. 1 to keep or 2 to keep and a few to give away. This is going to make your life so much easier because it takes a lot less thought. Once you've planned it out, you can just pop them right on. I aim for about 30 beads. Make sure that you tape down one end. You do not want to lose those ends. It's so sad when you lose it at the very last minute. And make sure that you tie it really well. I like this triple tie, carabiners to make it easy. Have the best time at the show.